What's up guys, welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video we will be discussing the current state of Bitcoin, the current state of Ethereum, and we will be going over potential scenarios that I'm looking at for today, for tomorrow, and for the rest of the week. Okay, so first of all, we can see yesterday Bitcoin bounced to the dollar accuracy almost from the box that I shared on my Twitter, as you can see. So if I go over to my Twitter over here, you can see yesterday I told you guys, as long as Bitcoin holds the golden box, it looks good to at least take out some of these highs. As you can see, the box over here hold it up perfectly, and we did see a beautiful increase of approximately 5%. Okay, so we also traded this play in our VIP channel, but I also shared this one on Twitter. For Ethereum, we can see I told you guys if it holds the point of control on Twitter. I told you guys yesterday night, then we should see a breakout above this key resistance area over here and test the value area high. Also, that played out perfectly, and right now we are looking for a potential pullback. Okay, so first of all, let's remove the levels from our chart on both of them, and let's start with a fresh chart and look for potential longs if we get another pullback. I'm already positioned long, but I do believe that Bitcoin still has some highs to get taken out. Except, for example, this high over here, and also I would like to take out this high. There's still some liquidity towards the upside, so I'm definitely expecting another and last move towards the upside for Bitcoin. Also, we can see if we look at the current Elliott wave count with our first impulsive move, in which we had a nice break of structure with this break of structure over here. In the previous video, I told you guys Bitcoin was going to bounce as soon as it took out this sell side liquidity over here on the left, and it did. My long order got front run on $5, but luckily yesterday I did get in a long position. Second wave over here, and right now it looks like we have finished the third Elliott wave. So what are we looking for is a potential long on the pullback during the fourth Elliott wave. Usually the fourth Elliott wave doesn't pull back that much, so I'm looking for a quick pullback, maybe even during the London session, and then a last push towards the upside during the New York session. But we have to realize that today there's a lot of big news events coming out. Okay, so we have Powell speaking, and we have Europe CPI, we have PCE data coming in America. So we have a lot of data coming out today, a lot of news coming out today. So I'm personally not really interested in taking any new positions. But if I were, I would be looking at a potential scenario like this. So in that case, we would take this swing low to this swing high, switch on the fib levels. I would take this swing low to this swing high. We can even take a look at Monday high over here. That's definitely interesting, in which you can switch this off, keep the Monday high. Definitely gonna take a look at the volume range for the current range for Bitcoin. We can see with the point of control, we also have a volume node over here, so that's interesting. Nice little volume node over here for Bitcoin. That's very nice to see. With the point of control over here. Let's see. So on the daily time frame, we have our previous day high over here. So we are looking at some levels of interest already on Bitcoin. We can go on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see that we also broke this critical trend line towards the upside that a lot of people are looking at. So we do have a clear breakout for Bitcoin, and we can look for a potential long position on the retest. We also can see that we were facing resistance multiple times over here for the Bitcoin price, as you can see. So that's definitely key resistance, previous resistance area that should be turning into support again. So if we go on lower term time frames, we might even take a look for a potential long position in between the 0.382 and the 0.5 and the golden pocket and this 0.5. I think this could be a nice area to look for a potential long position. Why? Like I told you guys, the fourth Elliott wave usually doesn't pull back that deep before it goes into the last one. Okay, so that's definitely an area of interest for me where I would expect a potential bounce. Also, it was because of previous resistance, important volume node, So we are definitely looking good to bounce over there. We might even take a look at some EMAs. On the 1 hourly time frame, we have some EMAs approaching. Also on the 15-minute, 4 hourly time frame, we did break out above the 100 EMA, so that's interesting as well. 2 hourly time frame broke out. So also EMAs approaching slowly, but not really in confluence as much as I would like to see. But I do think that this could be a potential area for long. So this could definitely be a potential area of support for Bitcoin where you might want to look for a potential long position, in my opinion. Okay, guys. So that's a potential scenario that I'm looking at. If we lose this box, we will test the second area of support over here. Lose that, then you visit lower levels, in my opinion. Okay, so we have two interesting areas of support for Bitcoin. Actually, adjust this one over here. So this is the first area of support, and then our second area would be around the point of control, Monday high, and the previous demand that pushed us towards the upside. So we have two interesting areas of support where Bitcoin can bounce from. Preferably, I would not want to lose the first area of support over here. This is definitely where I would look for a break of structure, and that could be a trigger to enter another long position and ride it towards these liquidity areas for Bitcoin. Okay, guys. For Ethereum, we can see Ethereum also in a clear uptrend. We had a clear break of structure over here, as you can see, so that's definitely nice to see. Elliott wave count on Ethereum is a little bit less clear compared to Bitcoin, but also on Ethereum, we might say that we have just finished the fourth Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, and we are in the middle of the fourth Elliott wave and looking for potential long towards the fifth Elliott wave. Okay, what's interesting about Ethereum is that we have a key resistance area over here that we broke through. That's definitely our first area of interest where I'm interested in a potential long position. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to go on a daily time frame for a second. We can see we also have the previous day high over here. Previous day high, first confluence that we are looking at. That's not what I meant. Previous day high. We can take a look at the volume levels of the current range. So we can also see Ethereum already trading much higher compared to Bitcoin. So we can see, like I said, area of resistance, the value area high. We have a very strong volume node over here. Okay, so I want to go on a 1 hourly time frame, start looking for some VIP retracement levels. Also take this swing low to that swing high. Let's remove these two for a second. Let's remove this one as well. Okay, so I think our area of interest is pretty clear on Ethereum. We did get some clear demand coming in over here, which brought us towards the upside over here. We left behind some big imbalances that are yet to be filled. So I would like to see a pullback on Ethereum if I were interested in a potential long position. I am not positioned yet on Ethereum, so am I interested in a potential long? Yes, I would be interested in a potential long if we get some kind of a pullback, maybe even during London session, in towards this area of support, and that would be my trigger for potential long to ride the last and fifth Elliott wave towards the upside. Okay, for my potential targets for Ethereum, I would definitely like to see this high get taken out. I don't know if we took out this high already. We have not. So actually we have two clear targets for Ethereum, and we also have this high over here. So we have definitely a lot of liquidity left towards the upside for Ethereum. So I think if you get a pullback during the fourth Elliott wave and you pull back in towards our area of interest, that could definitely be a trigger for Ethereum to look for a potential long position towards the upside to take out those liquidity targets. Okay, let's see if we also get some confluence on the EMAs, slowly approaching on the 1 hourly time frame, decently approaching on the 15-minute, 2 hourly time frame, decent confluence, 4 hourly time frame, also strong confluence. So on the EMAs on Ethereum are much better compared to Bitcoin. So once again, if we get a pullback, I would definitely be interested in a long position in this area over here. Okay, so it would be looking probably something like this, stop loss below the demand area, in which I would target these liquidity targets. This is already 2 RR, 2.5 RR, and this will be around 2.8 RR. So definitely a nice potential trade on Ethereum, guys. So I think the objective is clear for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Still some liquidity targets towards the upside. I am already positioned very, very well and probably not looking to enter any new positions today. Maybe on Ethereum, but be careful because we do have a lot of news coming in today. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something from today's video, and I hope this helped you to get your bias clear for the upcoming days. If you like this YouTube video, make sure to smash up the like button. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Also make sure to join our free Discord and free Telegram group. And I will speak to you guys soon. Bye bye.